Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. English Learning Stories for Beginners. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a washerman. He had a donkey that helped him carry clothes to and from the river every day. The washerman took good care of the donkey, feeding him well and giving him plenty of rest. One day, the washerman noticed that his donkey had become weak and thin. The poor animal was not getting enough food to stay strong. The washerman thought of a plan to feed his donkey properly. That night, the washerman took the donkey to a nearby farm. The farm belonged to a rich man who grew fresh vegetables and grains. The washerman let the donkey enter the farm to eat as much as he wanted. The donkey was delighted. He ate until he was full, and then they quietly returned home before sunrise. Seeing the donkey grow stronger each day, the washerman continued this habit. Every night, he would take the donkey to different farms to eat. However, the washerman warned the donkey to stay quiet while eating so they would not get caught. For a few days, everything went well. But one night, as the donkey enjoyed his meal, he suddenly felt very happy. He wanted to sing out loud. The washerman, who was keeping watch, saw the donkey getting ready to bray. He quickly whispered, "Don't make any noise. The farmer will wake up and catch us." But the foolish donkey ignored the washerman's warning. He said, "I am so happy. When I am happy, I sing. How can I stop myself?" The washerman tried to convince him. "If you sing, the farmer will hear us. He will beat us and chase us away." But the donkey was stubborn. "I don't care. I will sing because I love music," he said. The washerman knew there was no way to stop the donkey. So, he quickly tied a bell around the donkey's neck and said, "If you must sing, at least close your eyes and enjoy the music fully." The donkey was pleased with this idea. He closed his eyes and started singing loudly. The washerman, without wasting any time, ran away. Hearing the loud braying, the farmer woke up. He rushed outside with a big stick. Seeing the donkey in his field, the farmer became very angry. He beat the donkey and chased him out of the farm. The foolish donkey limped back home, crying in pain. The washerman looked at him and said, "This is what happens when you do not listen to good advice." From that day on, the donkey never sang while stealing food. Thanks for listening. Subscribe to the channel for more stories.